So here in the Culinary Management program, we're very excited to be able to offer 3 different types of programs within our main program. 2 certificates, which you can obtain in 1 year each, and then we also have the full Associate of the Art degree, which is 2 years long.
Our program is really built almost like a ladder, if you will. So they're learning the basics of food theory, an intro to culinary arts in a lab setting. They learn on paper, video, discussion on one day, and then we actually do it the next day.
Our goal is to prepare you for whatever you decide your career track should be or you want it to be. Not only do we have the resources here to train you on those things, but the other chef instructors and myself really listen to the students and start to know them and understand what direction they want to go in. And because of our diverse backgrounds, we can help the students get there through our own personal experiences. If you wanted to be a baker, for instance, we're not going to send you to somewhere where you're going to work a line and all of those things. We're going to try to steer you down the pathway of getting those experiences, which will help you get closer to your goal as soon as possible.
They kind of tailor to where you are in the process or in your knowledge. So those that are more advanced, they can teach you at that advanced level, and those that are just beginners, they can teach you at that level as well. Networking, the things that you learn that you can take on, it's more than just learning how to cook. It's life skills. It's all different types of skills that you're going to use throughout your whole career.
Think about culinary management at Chippewa Valley Technical College. Think about all those times when you were maybe in your high school home ec or FACS class and you thought, wow, I just made bread with 4 ingredients. That's how cooking is, and we can help you guide yourself into any career that you would like to do. Our program is for you, and you can sign up, you can call and make an appointment with our advising team, with us as the chefs, take a tour, just by going to the CVTC website and finding a name and a number, and we can tell you all about it.